This week on Tech Talk, we're going to talk keyboard shortcuts to cut corners and shave you time. Intro. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Pete Matheson. I run an IT company based here on the south coast of the UK. If you haven't already, go and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. We're going to put 2 minutes on the clock. Here we go. The first one we're going to do in threes, which is cut, copy and paste. So what you want to do on a Windows machine, you want to use Control X to cut, Control C to copy and Control V to paste. On a Mac, that is Command X, Command C and Command V. And you can do the same with files, folders. If you want to copy a file from one window to another, Control C will copy the file, Control V will paste a copy of that file into the other folder. If you need to select a load of text or files at once, you just click at the beginning of the first file or the beginning of the text, scroll to the bottom, hold the Shift key down and click again, and you will have now selected everything in there. If you need to select absolutely everything in a view, you can just press Control or Command A on your keyboard, and that will select everything that you can see. Quickest way to clear out your inbox. If you want to flick back and forth quickly between two programs, you can use Alt Tab or Command Tab, and that will literally let you change between one or two programs that you're using. And it saves you from having to go hunting down below on the taskbar down the bottom to try and find which window was open, so that's well worth using. If you want to walk away from your PC and lock it, there's a really straightforward keyboard shortcut. It's just the Windows key and L. Your computer will instantly lock, so you don't have to worry about people coming up and taking over your computer or sending emails on your behalf, pretending to be you. It happens. Another one specific for Windows is to show your desktop, and that is the Windows key and D. That will effectively hide all your windows, show the desktop. If you want to then bring all the windows back, you press Windows and D once more, everything comes back. You can press Control T or Command T to open a new tab, and you can press Command or Control W to close the tab. If you want to project your laptop or your desktop PC, whatever it is, onto a screen, onto a projector, there's a really easy shortcut for Windows machines, which is the Windows key and P. That will ask you what you want to do, whether you want to duplicate your display, whether you want to extend your monitor, and that will fix the majority of the issues we see when people are trying to plug in their machines onto projectors and it's not displaying properly. And then lastly, if you're trying to send some screenshots of maybe an error message or what's on your screen to somebody else, maybe you're sending it to us for an IT support issue, what you can do on a Windows machine is you press Windows Shift S, and that will give you a little cursor on your screen where you can then drag a box around what you want to take a screenshot of. Same on a Mac, you can press Command Shift 4. That will give you the crosshairs again. You can then drag and drop that around what you want, and it will then snap a screenshot straight to your desktop where you can reuse them. And that is all we have. Yeah, knew we weren't going to make it. And that's all we've got for our 2 Minute Tuesday this week. Like the video if you did, subscribe if you're not already, hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos when we post them, and I'll see you in the next one.
Perfectly balanced, as everything should be.